Okay, you know what? You know what, Mr. What was this? Stupid. N1M2077, who said, "You have skill issue." You know what? Fine, fine. I'll take that. I'll run with it. So what if I have skill issue? Ignore that I have these now in this. Just uh, okay. Fine. You think I have skill issue? I'll beat the game with Commando on Monsoon. I've played Monsoon twice. Let's do this. Why not? Come on. This is gonna be the easiest thing I've ever done. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna get God rolls, and then yeah. That's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna get all my God rolls. I'm gonna have a good old time, and you're gonna rethink what you said. You're gonna take it back, because I am totally. Oh my goodness, not proving my point here. Ooh. I got the Spotify going. I already know how it goes. So come at me. Come at me. If I suck so bad, why am I about to beat this? I'm about to beat Mythics. Like, first try, you know? Ugh. The song from Scott Pilgrim? What? What is this song? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, was waiting for the world to end. Now that the truth is just a root that you can mend.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I'm dead! I'm dead man.
Ooh. Wax quit. Jumping while sprinting boosts you forward. That's cool. It's not what I need. Ooh! I need help. Give me something. I'm kidding, Risker Brain. I love you. You're the best one. You're a great game. Please don't screw the rest of my run over because of that. What is this Spotify? What is my Spotify? Play something lit. No. What? Who says that? You suck. Okay. I just love it when my Spotify plays something lit fire. Okay. Okay. So... Alright. Oh my goodness. Man, I love the war banner. Alright. I thought I picked up a med kit. Why am I not healing from my kills? When did I get a soda? Where's the stupid thing? Oh my goodness, it was right here. Please, no, I don't want you in my life. There you go. I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me. Even though it's completely you. What is this song? Oh, I know this song. It's kind of good. I don't know why it's on my like. It's kind of good. Things that I'd like to do. Back the old grind. Oh, that was rude. Why? There's always so many of you. Every round. Honestly, I'll get that so I can run away and then heal. Like what I'm gonna do right now. No jumping. No jumping. No jumping. No jumping. Okay. You can't jump me, that's what I'm here for. Shut up. Alright, am I ready for this? No. Am I gonna do it anyways? Yes. Now I just run and go all the way back here. Whatever it is, I can just shoot it. Oh, man. Me like Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk, edge gooners. Leave me alone! Back to the old grind. No! 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 I can break those? I didn't know I could break those! Back to the old grind. Oh man, this is a fun game. I'm having a great time. I'm gonna claw my eyes out. I hate this game. It hates me too, apparently. You sent a little small army after me, game? Really? Have help and a dream. Okay, you know what? That's not a bad option. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me heal. 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 No, don't spawn more butt. Okay, well, I have a feeling that guy might just be right. N1 M2077, I'm very sorry for, underestimating you and your, holy sacred opinion. I think I do, in fact, have a massive skill issue. I'm pretty sure I've got a good feeling that I suck at this game. as what I said in the prior video, because that's literally what I said. If you watched the video, I said I sucked. You didn't need to remind me. I'm pointing that out. You didn't need to remind me. I know I suck. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me do next. Yeah. That, yeah, great job, everyone. Thanks for the support on the first video. It actually popped off, and I wasn't expecting it to. Thank y'all. Yeah, bye-bye.